In this video, I'll show you how to create a cup mockup in Canva. Let's use this image as an example. Click the image to select it and open the Edit menu. Scroll down to the Apps section and find the Mockups. Open the Mockup tool and browse the popular category to find the cup mockup template. Click your chosen template to apply it to the image. On the left panel, adjust the image alignment or flip it horizontally, vertically for the best fit. We can also customize the cup's color. Once you're satisfied, click Apply Changes to finalize your cup mockup. That's it! Your custom cup mockup is ready. Thanks for watching.